Hi boys and girls, so today we're going to do some reading comprehension together, making sure that we're looking really carefully at the text to find the answers. So, first of all, let's start reading. Ladybirds are insects that belong to the beetles family, which love to live in gardens, parks, woods and fields where there is longer grass or crops. There are actually over 46 different types of ladybirds living in the United Kingdom, and not all of them are bright and spotty. Let's have a read of our questions. Question 1. Which word in the text describes the name of the family that ladybirds belong to? Tick one box. The options are spiders, butterflies, beetles, or worms. So we're going to look back at the text and scan through to see if we can find the answer. Have a look now. Here it says beetles. Did you spot that too? You're going to tick where it says beetles on the paper. Question 2. How many different types of ladybirds live in the UK? Tick one box. The options are over 46, over 12, over 52, or over 5. Let's have a look back at the text to find the answer. There are actually over 46 different types of ladybirds. So we're going to go back to the question and tick the box which says over 46. Ladybirds are known as a gardener's best friend because they love to eat insects called aphids, greenflies, or scale insects. Both the aphids and scale insects eat plants in gardens, and this is why so many people love to see ladybirds. The seven-spot ladybird can eat 5,000 aphids during its lifespan. Question 3. Why are ladybirds known as a gardener's best friend? Have a look back at the text to find the answer. Well done if you looked here. They love to eat insects. So you would write that on the line to get the mark. If they feel threatened, ladybirds will bleed from their knees as a warning to predators. The yellow blood is called reflex blood. It has a strong, horrible smell and taste. Ladybirds also stay safe by having bright colours which warn potential enemies that ladybirds are not at all tasty. Question 4. Give 2 things ladybirds do to protect themselves. Have a look back at the text and see if you can find any answers. There are actually 4 options that you could choose from here, and you only need to give 2. So the first one is that they will bleed from their knees. So if you got that answer right, give yourself a pat on the back. The second one is that the yellow blood is called reflex blood and that they have yellow blood. So if you got that, then give yourself a pat on the back. The next one is that the blood has a strong, horrible smell and taste. So if you got that, give me a thumbs up. And the last one is that they have bright colours to warn potential enemies that they are not tasty. So if you got that answer, give yourself 2 thumbs up. According to an old legend from about 500 years ago, in some parts of the world, aphids were sucking the juices from farmers' grapevines. The Catholic farmers prayed to Mary, Jesus' mother, for help. Soon the ladybirds came and ate the aphids. The farmers thought their prayers had been answered, so they named the helpful beetles after Mary, who is also known as Our Lady. The second part of their name, bird was given because they can fly like a bird, so they ended up with the name ladybird. Question 5. Why were ladybirds given the second part of their name, bird? Have a look at the text to find the answer. Can you tell me your answer? If you wrote because they can fly like a bird, give